Maybe I can answer. First of all, nobody has offered any position to me or to Wiper. That thing about Attorney General is a mirage. And I want you to, I may be senior counsel, which is okay, maybe that's the attraction. But this guy has been vice president of the Republic, and he has been minister in many portfolios. Do you expect him surely to go and serve Ruto as Attorney General? I think he's expecting too much.
Thank you.
But in any event, the bottom line is no such thing. We are not interested. By the way, you know, I think the limit is maybe 22 or something. It doesn't have to be 22. You can also end up with a lean cabinet. But what cabinet is this? No. The first one, Karanja, you're involving me in semantics. The simple truth is we are not interested. And if you want to put it in the first person singular, I am not interested. Okay? This other thing is a matter for ODM. We have addressed you today as Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya. The coalition as of today has not received an indication or a notice to the effect that ODM will be pulling out or are pulling out of the coalition. If that happens, we'll deal with it at that time.